Introducing Binary Trading Random Differ Pro V3 Bot by Binary Campus, a revolutionary advancement in binary trading. This bot, developed without a martingale system, is tailored for developers seeking a sophisticated and effective tool for navigating the binary options market with precision and confidence. Binary Trading Random Differ Pro V3 sets itself apart by eliminating the martingale system, prioritizing risk management for a more secure and controlled trading approach. Dive deep into the nuances of binary trading with the bot's advanced last-digit analysis. By focusing on the final digits of various assets, the bot employs a strategic and unique approach that enhances trading accuracy. The bot introduces a dynamic trading strategy through digit differ trades, adapting to market conditions by strategically analyzing and executing trades based on the differences in consecutive digits. Reacting to market dynamics is crucial for success, and Binary Trading Random Differ Pro V3 excels in this aspect. The bot continuously adjusts last-digit predictions and trade durations in real time, ensuring that developers are well-positioned to capitalize on market fluctuations. What makes this bot truly exceptional is its foundation on a specialized last-digit-based trading strategy. This approach combines technical analysis and algorithmic trading principles, providing a comprehensive and sophisticated tool for developers seeking an edge in the binary options market. With the absence of the martingale system and the implementation of a strategic last-digit approach, Binary Trading Random Differ Pro V3 is designed to help developers minimize risks, fostering a more sustainable and secure trading experience. The bot intelligently manages trade durations, adapting to market conditions and optimizing the timing of trades, enhancing the potential for profitable outcomes by aligning trades with market trends. You may generate good money with this binary bot. When you obtain this binary bot, you will notice that you can make $10, $15 per session for a 20-minute run. As a result, we always advise testing any binary bot more than 10 times before using it on a real account. In virtual testing, you can determine how much every binary bot can produce and what the danger of using a specific binary bot is. When you are operating a binary bot and you observe that it is taking profitable trades, do not operate the bot for an extended period of time. It's because we don't know when the market will move and the bot will force us to lose. So after some profits, take them and enjoy them. You can always return later, and the market is always there for you to make money. Binary Trading Random Differ Pro V3 bot is not just a trading tool. It's a comprehensive solution that empowers developers to navigate the complexities of the binary options market with confidence and precision. Elevate your trading experience with this state-of-the-art bot from Binary Campus, where innovation meets strategy.